Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Haraldus and today I want to talk about the Apple's Foundation Model Framework. It provides access to Apple's on-device LLM that they call Apple Intelligence. It can generate text just like any other LLM, and it can also make decisions that would allow it to call code that you wrote to perform a specialized task, all without the need to call an external API. The fact that it runs on-device means that there's no risk of private data exposure and it can work without internet. We have had the ability to run on-device LLMs on PCs and MacBooks with Ollama for a while now, but as far as I am aware, this is the first official framework for Apple devices. It unlocks the possibility to build new kind of apps that are more private, faster, and don't rely on third-party APIs. I've been playing around with the framework, building the sample app in Swift following the Apple's Foundation Model code-along tutorial, and so far I can say that I really like this framework. It's not just an on-device LLM, but it's an actual framework with some additional features. For predictability, you can generate structured outputs. It actually returns a type that you define and specify. You can also stream responses so that they are visible as soon as they become available instead of waiting for the whole response. You can also call tools and pre-warm the model for faster responses. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.